The central vacuum industry has some exciting stuff going on. This year, both major manufacturers of retractable hose systems, that is, Chameleon and Hydahose, have done a lot of innovating and addressing some of the shortfalls and the pros and cons of their products. Chameleon just came out with their new valve with a new lock and a new switch. Hydahose is working hard on theirs, and by fall, that will be available too, meaning that later this year, you, the consumer, will have two excellent choices for your new retractable hose built-in vacuum. Wouldn't it be nice if you always had two excellent choices for a decision you're going to have to make later this year?